In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change insurance start date Progressive. First, go to Progressive by visiting the website or opening the mobile app, then sign in to your account. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving forward since you'll need account access to view your quote or policy details. If you're using a browser, it can help to use the most up-to-date version so everything loads correctly. Once you're in, head to your policy or quote. If you haven't officially purchased the policy yet, open your saved quote instead. If your coverage is already active, go to the Manage Policy section. This is where Progressive typically gives you access to policy settings, its updates, and other account options. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the right section can save time and prevent confusion later. Next, check whether the start date can actually be changed. In many cases, if the policy hasn't started yet, you can update the effective date online without much trouble. But if the policy is already active, the option may be limited or unavailable in your account. In that situation, you may need help directly from Progressive support to make any adjustments. If the option is available, select a new start date. Choose the date you want your coverage to begin, and be careful here. You'll want to make sure the new date works with any state requirements and, most importantly, doesn't create a gap in coverage. If you're replacing another policy, double check the timing so you stay continuously insured. After that, review your updated premium. Changing the insurance start date can sometimes affect the total price or the payment schedule, depending on how the policy is set up. Before confirming anything, look over the updated numbers carefully so you know exactly what will change and when any payments may be due. When everything looks correct, confirm the change. Save the update if the online option is available. If you don't see a way to complete it yourself, contact Progressive Customer Service for assistance. They can let you know what's possible and help finalize the adjustment if needed. Finally, verify your updated policy. Open your policy documents or confirmation details and make sure the new effective date is listed correctly. This last check is important